when we started iamneo, we started with the vision to enable students to learn to code, right? Of course, there are many resources online, but how do we enable them to learn through hands-on experiences? So that's when we started this whole platform, and we have been kind of working towards this vision by working with students in 3 different ways. One is, how do we start early with working with universities? Second one is, how do we start engaging them with a lot of coding contests or hackathons? That's another avenue that we identified. And the third one is working with corporates directly, right? How do we enable the working professionals as well as part of the whole learning experience, right? So it's been a phenomenal year. 2022 has been a phenomenal year. And, other than our existing customers like VIT, SRM that we onboarded in the previous year, in 2022, we were able to onboard a few other interesting universities like Kalasilingam, CBIT Hyderabad, Manipal University, and also GL Bajaj from Delhi. So these were some of the universities, and we were able to impact almost 1.5 lakh plus students in these universities. On top of it, there was an interesting initiative that we worked with RUSA Tamil Nadu. So this is an central government initiative where we have been able to work with almost 100 plus arts and science colleges across Tamil Nadu, and we have been enabling them with hands-on coding exercises for them to prepare for the upcoming campuses, companies that they would be visiting their campuses. So that has been one other avenue, and through that we have impacted 100 plus arts and science colleges. Another initiative is by the Director of Technical Education Tamil Nadu, and as part of that we have been able to work with almost 51 plus polytechnic colleges and 15 plus government affiliated and government engineering colleges. And again, for them, we have been enabled them to learn more hands-on coding access. So this has been mostly the kind of work that we have done in the university side. In terms of coding contests and hackathon, we have been a platform provider and also a hackathon partner for some of the organizations like NASCOM, Latent View Analytics. We have also worked with Virtusa and various other organizations, and through that we have almost impacted and enabled 2.5 lakh students to participate in various coding contests and hackathons across India. In fact, we had few participants from Sri Lanka, and some of them were also residents of US. So that's the kind of level in which we were able to impact the student. The third area that we had also worked is on the corporate side, where we had worked with large organizations like L&T Mindtree, with Virtusa, Hexaware, and we have been upskilling their entry-level talent, and we have been able to do it for almost 15,000 plus entry-level talent. So this is the scale in which we have been impacting the students to get more hands-on experience in what they learn, and that's just give you a gist of what we have been doing. So 2023, we are quite excited. We, of course, as a team, we are quite motivated, and now we really want to see how we can onboard more corporates and more universities across the globe. So that is the direction in which we are planning this year, and hopefully next year we'll come back with more updates.